So now let's look at 74. So first, I check for a GCF. There isn't one. Now I see there's only two terms. And the only two-term factoring pattern we know is difference of squares. A squared minus b squared always factors to be a minus b, a plus b. So I look at this problem and I ask myself, can I write this as a square minus a square? Well, let's see. 1 squared is 1, yes. And then 3y squares to be 9y squared. So this is my a and this is my b for my difference of squares pattern. So it factors to be 3y minus 1, 3y plus 1. So difference of squares goes very quickly if you recognize your perfect squares. So 78 is similar. Two terms, no GCF, but can I write this as a square minus a square? So what squares to make 25x squared? That would be 5x. What squares to make 9? That will be 3. So this is the A and the B for your difference of squares pattern. So that's going to be 5x minus 3, 5x plus 3. Difference of squares. Now I want to jump down to 101 because it's another two-term problem similar to 74 and 78. So first thing I look for is there a GCF? My GCF is y. So if I factor out a y, that leaves y to the 4th minus 9. So now I have two terms. Can I write this as a square minus a square? Well, let's see. This is easy. 3 squared makes 9. And then here, what squares to make y to the 4th? Well, that's going to be y squared because 2 times 2 makes 4. So now this is your A and this is your B for your difference of squares pattern. So don't forget your GCF stays out in front. And now I can factor using difference of squares. Y squared minus 3, y squared plus 3.